everyone, welcome to ACE Online. So in today's video, what we are going to do, we are going to practice again for the reasoning section. But before starting the session, please do share the link of the session in your respective groups to your family members, to your friends, so that more students can join this particular video. And one more thing, please let me know in the comment section that I am audible or not, and after that we will start our session. Anyone in the comment section, please let me know that I am audible and visible so that we can start our today's session. A very good evening, Ramakrishna. Okay. Let's start our today's session with our very first question, and let's see what is the question we are having and how we are going to deal with it. So this first question is from the concept of symbols and notations. Here you are having your questions, you are having your conversions as well, and you need to check whether statement 1 or statement 2 both are correct or not. Thank you so much for the confirmation, Ramakrishna. What you need to do, you just need to interchange the signs first, and after that what you need to do, you need to check both the statements or both the equation. This is your equation number 1 and this is your equation number 2, and accordingly you need to answer with these one. This is a very simple question. We need to interchange these signs and these two numbers. A very good evening, Jeevan. Very good. Hello world. Let's see. Anyone else in the comment section, what is the correct answer you are getting? Just simply interchange the signs and the numbers now. And after that, what you need to do, you just need to do the simple mathematical calculation and you will get your answer. A very good evening, Naresh. Very good evening, Safi. Let's see, Arvind. Very good. Very good, Ramakrishna. Let's see. Okay. I'll go with equation number 1 first, right? Equation 1 says that 4 is changed with 5, plus is changed with multiplication, 8. Multiplication is changed with addition, 5 is changed with 4, minus 7 divided by 1. I need to check whether I am getting this equals to 37 or not. So what I am getting? And what we need to do, we need to take care of the rule of BODMAS. Right? We need to take care of this rule as well. Here I am getting 40. Here what I am getting? I am getting 40. 5 into 8, 40. When I divide 7 by 1, I am getting 7 only. Plus 4 minus 7. Right? So I can write over here 44 minus 7, or you can also write it as 40 minus 3. When I solve this particular thing, I am getting 37 as my answer. No, and here what I am having? I am having 37 only. I am having 37 only. So what we will do? We will say that option number B is eliminated, because option number B is saying that neither 1 nor 2nd is correct. But here we are getting our equation number 1 as correct one. We are getting our option number A, or we can say the equation number A as the correct one. Right? Very good, Naresh Reddy. Very good, Mohammed Shahib. Very good, Ambika. Gate 2 IITians, a very good evening, and I am happy to see you over here too. Right? Now let's check the equation number 2nd. So the equation number 2nd is saying that 15 into 3, that means 4 plus 3, and after that we are having subtraction 5 After that, plus that is changed into this one 6 and divided by 2, right? So in this one we can say that here this will give me 3 and this will give me 15, right? And here I am having 7. 7 minus 15, I am getting minus 18 over here. What I am getting? I am getting minus 18 over here. Do we have that in our option or in the equation? Yes. So basically from both of the equation I am getting the correct answer. Both of the options I am getting the correct answer. So the correct answer over here is option number D. The correct answer over here is your option number D, not option number A and option number B. The correct answer is option number D. Is it clear? Okay. Now let's move towards the next question and let's see whether we are getting the next question as correct or not. So this is a very easy question. You can easily observe this question and you can answer out of these options. What we have to do, we have to determine the mirror image, and mirror is placed horizontal to this particular given word. What is the correct answer? Please read the question, ma'am. What we have to do? Not correct. Okay. Not correct. Okay. That's my bad. So basically here what we need to do, we need to find out the equation which is not correct. Basically both the equations are correct. So the correct answer over here is yes, option number B, not option number D. That's my mistake. Okay, so the correct answer over here is your option number B, not option number D, right? Next one. What is the mirror image that we are getting in this one? What is the mirror image we are getting in this one? These type of mistakes we did in our examination, just like I did in the previous question. What is the correct answer you are getting for this one? All you need to do is you need to find out the mirror image. In mirror, it will looks like this one. It looks like this one. And it looks like this one. Now just simply check the other options as well. Very good, hello world. Very good, Ambika. Let's see. Anyone else? It's very good to hear. Gate to IITN. Very good, Ramakrishna. Let's see. Okay. If I talk about this particular question, here I am having all the P's same, right? All the N's same as well except this one. And this is not the mirror image of N. So we can simply eliminate this option. Next, E. Here we are getting exact E, not the mirror image. So this option is also eliminated. Now we are left with just two options. Check the rest things. Here 3, 3, 2, 2, Y, Y. Okay. So this Y is not the mirror image, but this Y is the mirror image. So this option is also eliminated and the correct answer over here is your option number C. The correct answer over here is option number C. Very good, Arvind. Very good evening, Durgam. Very good, Naresh. Very good, Sahib. Very good, Ambika. But the correct answer over here is your option number C, not option number A or B. Is it clear? What you need to do, again, whenever you are having questions from the non-verbal reasoning, you are having some images or some diagrams, you need to analyze the pattern or you need to analyze the figures and you can easily able to determine the answer. Is it clear? Next one. So the next question is from the concept of blood relations, and here you are having few options. You need to check which expression is showing that P is the parental grandmother of R. P is the parental grandmother. Parental grandmother, that means father side extended family. I've already told you, whenever you are having such type of questions, you only need to follow two things. First, check gender. Second, check Generation gap. Very good, hello world. You are quite fast. Very good, Kishore. Okay, so basically we are getting different answers. Okay, one more thing. Just read the question carefully. What we need to do, we need to determine P is the parental grandmother. That means there is generation gap of 2. Do we have that in particular options? Do we have that in this particular options? So we can simply eliminate our option number B and C over here. We can easily eliminate our option number B and C over here because the generation gap over here is not 2. They are somehow directly linked to each other. So we can easily eliminate such options. Now we are left with just 2 options. Either option number A is correct or option number D is correct. Very good, Ramakrishna. Very good, Durgam. Very good, Arvind. Now I guess you are correct, Arvind. Option number C is already eliminated. Why all of you are answering as option number C? If you will see the options carefully, what we need to determine? We need to determine that P is the parental grandmother of R. That means R and P are not directly linked. Here P and R are directly linked. So we can easily eliminate this option. Sorry, I guess I eliminated this option. This option is also eliminated because they are directly linked. Now you only have to check 2 options, right? Now if I'll go with this option, here we are having multiplication and the multiplication signs means mother, okay? So if I'll talk about option number B, P into Q divided by R. First, I'll just simply check the gender of P because we need P as a female. We need P as a female, right? So here, are we getting P as a female? Yes, because of this multiplication sign. Next one. Again, we are having multiplication sign, so we can say that P is a female, okay. If I talk about the generation gap, here P is a mother, that means I am getting +1 over here, right? Next, Q divided by R. Here, this means sister. That means here the generation gap is equals to 0 and I am getting ultimately +1 as a generation gap. And we know that if we want the relation of paternal grandmother, we need at least +2. We need +2 over here, not +1. So this option is also eliminated and the correct answer over here is option number D. But we will check this one as well. Here I am getting +1, right? Q minus R, that means A is a father. Father, that means again I am getting +1. And if I add them up, I am getting +2, which is required over here. So the correct answer over here is your option number D. The correct option over here is your option number D. Very good, Jeevan. Is it clear? Okay, next one. Next question is from the concept of number series and this is a very easy number series. You can easily able to determine the concept over here. And this time what you need to do along with your answers, you need to write your concepts as well. What concept you applied in this one. Along with your answers in the comment section, you also need to mention the concept or the logic you applied to determine the value of this question mark. How you are getting your answer. Very good, hello world, but your logic is missing. Okay, very good. Anyone else? Very good, Naresh Reddy. Again, your logic is missing too. Anyone else? This is a very simple number series. Very good, Naresh. What about the other students? Ramakrishna, Arvind, Jeevan, Durgam, what are their answers? Ambika? Okay, let's see what we are doing over here. Here I am having 3. And what I want to convert it into 13. So I know that I am having 12 as a multiple of 3 which is nearby to this number, right? So I can just simply say that if I multiply this term by 4 and after that if I'll add 1 in it, I'm getting 13. So in this simpler format, I can write it as 3 into 4 plus 1, I am getting my next number, right? But the same logic is followed with the rest numbers or not, we need to check this one. 13 into 4, that is 52. 52 plus 1, we are getting 53, which is mentioned over here, right? 53 into 4. What we are getting over here? 12 and the 1 is carry on, that means 212. 212 plus 1, we are getting 213. That means the logic that we are having in this particular number series is into 4 and after that we need to add plus 1 in it. So the next series or the next number that we want is 213 into 4. So first we will solve this. Here we are getting 12 and the 1 is carry on 5 and 8. And we need to add 1 in that and we are getting 853. Do we have that in our options? Yes. So the correct option over here is your option number B. The correct option over here is your option number B. Very good, Seth Rumal. Very good, Durgam. Very good, Ramakrishna. Very good, Arvind. Very good, Rahul Tripathi. Yes, basically your answer is correct, but most of the you are correct answer incorrectly. The correct logic over here is into 4 plus 1. Very good, Kapil Dev. The correct answer over here is your option number B. Clear? Next one. So the next question is from the concept of syllogisms, and we all know that how to solve such type of problems. You only need to draw the basic diagram, and after drawing the basic diagram you can easily able to determine which conclusion is correct over here. You need to draw the simple diagram only because here we are not having any possibility case in the conclusions. Very good, hello world. Very good, Arvind. Very good, Durga. Only 3 students. Okay, let's start drawing the basic diagram. So the question is saying that some clones are artists. Okay, some clones are artists. Right? Next statement. All artists are smart. All artists are smart. Next one is all smarts are rich. All smarts are rich. This is my basic diagram. Now on the basis of this, what I need to do, I need to check my conclusions. Very good, D. Very good, Ramakrishna. Very good, Rahul Tripathi. Okay, let's see. First conclusion, all artists are rich. All artists. Basically, the whole part of artists belongs to smarts and whole smarts belongs to rich category. So we can say that yes, all the artists belongs to rich category. So this conclusion is true. Second one, some clones are smart. Yes, we have this mutual part in between clones and smart. So we can say that yes, this conclusion is true as well. Next one, all clones are artists. No. Can we say that? No, because we don't know about the rest part of the clones, whether they are a part of artist or not. So this one is considered in can't say condition. This one is considered in can't say condition. So we can say that only first and second, that means option number C is the correct one. That means option number C is the correct one. Is it clear? Next one. So again, this is a very easy question. All you need to do is you need to determine the odd one out. This is a very easy question. Very good, Kapil Dev. You need to analyze the options, basically the numbers, and after that you need to determine the odd one out option. Very good, hello world. Very good, Sahu. Very good, Arvind. Very good, Rahul. This is a very simple question. Very good, D. Very good, Kapil Dev. Let's see. I think C is the odd one man. Okay, chalo, let's see. Let's start with option number D this time. Option number D is saying that 131, 136 and 141. I know that there's a very small difference in between the numbers, in between the given numbers. So if I want to convert my 131 to 136, what I need to do, I just need to add plus 5 in this one, right? And if I want to convert my 136 into 141, then what I need to do, again I need to add plus 5 in this one, right? Okay. Now check option number C. Here I am getting this pattern. Okay, next one. 103, 108 and 113. Again, if I want to convert my 103 to 108, what I need to do, I need to add plus 5 in this one. If I want to convert my 108 into 113, what I need to do, again I need to add plus 5 in this one. Are we getting the same pattern in these two options? Yes. Now, option number B. Option number B is saying 117, 122 and 129, right? Okay. If I want to convert my 117 to this one, what I need to do, I need to add plus 5 in this one, right? But if I want to convert my 122 into 129, this time I need to add plus 7 in this one, not plus 5 in this one. So we know that this particular option is not following the properties of the other options. But before that, we need to check our option number A as well. So option number A is saying that here we are having 137, 142 and 147, right? Okay. So the difference that I am getting over here is plus 5 and again here I am having plus 5. So I can easily say that option number B is my odd one out. Option number B is my odd one out. Is it clear? The correct option over here is your option number B. This is a very simple question. Next one. Again, here we are having a question from the concept of symbols and notations. So, you just read the question, you just read the equation and after that just solve with the given options. This time we need to find out the correct equation. We need to make sure that our left hand side is equal to the right hand side. This is a very simple question. All you need to do is you just need to put the values according to the options, signs according to the options, and just you need to solve the basic mathematical equation. Very good, Arvind. Quite fast this time. Anyone else? This is very simple question. Very good. Hello world. Okay, let's start solving it. We'll go with our option number A first, right? So the option number A is saying that we need to interchange our 6 to 660 and 660 to 6 and multiplication symbol to division and the vice versa, right? Okay. So 60 multiplication sign is changed into the division 3 plus this 660 is changed to 6. Division is sign changed to multiplication. Again 6 is changed to 660 minus 20. We need to solve this particular equation. Here what I am getting 20. This plus 20 and minus 20, I am directly eliminating it, right? Plus, here what I am getting 6 into 660. And this thing present in the positive sign. And in any case, I am not able to get it equal to 290. So, this option is eliminated, right? Next one. Very good, Ramakrishna. Very good, Durgam. Let's see. Option number B. Here we need to convert 20 to 6 and vice versa, plus to minus or vice versa, right? Okay. So here we are having 60 into 3 plus is changed into minus 660 divided by 20 plus 6. This is what we are having, okay? We know that this 0 and this 0 are eliminated. Here I am getting 33. 180 minus 33 plus 6. This is what I am getting. If I solve this particular equation, I know that after this also I am not able to get 290 as my answer. So this option is also eliminated. This option is also eliminated. Now go with our option number C. Let's check option number C. Option number C is saying that 20 is changed or interchanged with 60 and plus is interchanged with multiplication. Okay. So 20 plus 3 multiplied by 660 divided by 6 minus 60. This is what we are having, right? Okay. So we know that here I am getting 110 and when 110 is multiplied by 3, we are getting 20 plus 330 minus 60. Ultimately, we can say that 330 minus 40 and we are getting our answer as 290. That means our option number C is the correct one. Our option number C is the correct one. Is it clear? All we need to do is we just need to interchange our options or the numbers or the signs according to the given options, and after that we just need to do the basic mathematical calculation. Next one. This is a very simple question. I am expecting that all of you can easily able to determine that missing image. What is the correct answer for this particular question? This is a very simple one. Very good, Kapil Dev. D, there's no as such short trick. All you need to do is you can just simply analyze with the numbers. As we did in this one, we know that when I multiply this one, I'm getting 4-digit number, right? I'm not, anyhow, I can't able to get 290. Similarly, in this one, I just rest the calculation with this one. I'm not going to solve the rest, or I'm not going to write the rest step, because I know that in any case I'm not getting the correct answer. So whenever you are having such thing, just leave that option there only and go with the next option. Okay, very good Arvind, very good Hello World, very good Durgam, very good Ramakrishna, a very good evening SK. Okay, let's check with the arrows first. Here the direction of this arrow is towards east direction. This time the direction is changed and this arrow is slightly moved upwards, or we can say slightly moved around 45-degree anti-clockwise. Again, the arrow sign is changed, or we can say it's towards the outwards, and again there's a slight change of anti-clockwise, 45-degree anti-clockwise, again 45-degree anti-clockwise. So this time I am getting arrow which is facing towards west direction. I need such type of arrow after the movement. Do we have that? No. Do we have that? No. Do we have that? Yes. Do we have that? Yes. Now, the next turn that we need to do is we need to check this sign, and we can say that in the both of these diagrams we are having the same sign. So now we are going towards the alphabets we are having. Here we are having B, P, R. Now this time this P shift to this one, this B shift to this one, and this R shift to this one with their mirror images, right? Okay. Now again this P is shifted to this one, that means they are moving in the clockwise direction. So if they are moving in the clockwise direction, I am again getting P over here. I am getting P over here, but as the real images. That means option number B is the correct one and option number D is also eliminated. The correct answer over here is your option number B, not D. Very good D, very good Kapildev, but you need to analyze the figures carefully. The correct answer over here is your option number B. Clear? Okay. Now let's move towards the next question and let's see what is the next question. Okay, this one is a very simple one. Trust me, this is a very simple one. Just see the numbers carefully. You can easily able to determine, or you can easily able to crack the pattern and check the same pattern with the options. This is a very easy question. You can easily able to determine the correct answer within few seconds, like within 10 seconds. Very good. Hello World. First, we need to identify the patterns in set 1 and set 2, the common pattern, and we need to check these options with the same pattern. Very good SK, very good D. Anyone else? Start playing with the numbers. Very good Yashwant, very good Ramakrishna. Let's see. Okay. First, I am going to consider my set 1, right? And after that, we will consider our set 2. Set 1 is saying that 76, 75 and 1. If I subtract my second number from my first number, at that time also I am getting 1, right? But when I do the subtraction over here in set second, 90 minus 87, this time I am getting 3, not 9. But when I see this 3 now, I know that I can connect this 3 with 9. How? Because I know that the square of 3 is nothing but 9. Similarly, the square of 1 is nothing but 1. So, we can say that if we want to determine the third number, so the third number is nothing but the square of first number minus second number. The third number is the square of first number minus second number. This is the logic that I am having in this particular question, and now what I need to do, I need to go through with my options. Very good, Rahul. Let's see. Option number A. 100 minus 85, we are getting 15, and the square of 15 is 225, not 125. Option number A is eliminated. Next, option number B. 5684, 56 minus, 48, I am getting 8, and the square of 8 is 64. That means the correct option over here is your option number B. The correct option over here is your option number B. Very good, D. Very good, Durgam. Now, if you will see the difference over here, the difference is 12, and the square of 12 is 144. Here, again, you can check. Here, I am getting a difference of 21, and the square of 21 is not 900, that is 441. So, this is a very simple logic that you need to apply over here just to determine the correct answer. Is it clear to everyone? Very good, Kapil Dev. Very good, Venkatesh. Very good, Sahib. Is it clear to everyone? Please let me know in the comment section once. Is it clear to everyone? Okay, so there is one more question from the concept of non-verbal reasoning, and again this one is very simple one. This one is a very simple one. Again, what you need to do, you need to determine this missing image. What you need to do, you just need to determine that missing image with the reference of these three images. Very good, Rajashekhar. But this is not our option. Very good, Arvind. This is a simple one. Anyone else? Very good, Rahul. Very good, Venkatesh. Very good, Sahib. Very good, Safi. In this question also I am getting different answers. Very good, D. Very good, Yashwant. Very good, Ramakrishna. Very good, Kapil Dev. Okay. Okay. First, let's talk about the direction of this arrow. Right? Here I am having this arrow. Now this arrow is moving 90 degree but in the anti-clockwise direction. So initially it is facing towards east. Now this time it is facing towards south. Now west. Now anti-clockwise 90. That means this time it is facing in the north direction. It is facing in the north direction. It should be placed over here. According to the diagram, it should be placed over here. Do we have that? Yes. Do we have that? Yes. Do we have that? No. We are having arrow in this place, but the direction of the arrow is incorrect. Do we have that? Yes. Now, the circle. If you will see the circle carefully, here I am having horizontal lines. Now, these horizontal lines changed into the vertical lines in the next diagram. Again horizontal. Now this time I want vertical lines. Do we have that? Yes. Do we have that? No. Here we are having horizontal lines. Do we have that? Yes. We are having vertical lines. That means we can say that option number C and option number B are eliminated. Now we are left with just two options. Option number A and option number D. Now the place of this circle will decide our answer. Here we are having circle over here. Now it moved to this side downwards. Now this downward size changed to this one, and this time this circles come at this place. This circle will come at this place. That means we can say that this option is also eliminated, and the correct answer over here is your option number A. And the correct answer over here is your option number A. This is a very, very simple question. Is it clear? So with this question, let's end this video over here only. But if you need to learn such tricks and tips before your examination, so you can join our course for SSC CGL Tier 1. Here we are having 350 plus hours of recorded videos with such tricks and tips, and you can easily able to solve all the questions after watching those videos. You are also having the online test series, free online test series, in which you are getting 18 tests. 8 are subject-wise tests, and full-length test, mock tests are provided as 10. So just to purchase or just to enroll yourself in this particular course, just simply visit www.ace.online. For this one, you can just simply visit the website. Here you are getting a separate section for SSC CGL. You can choose the course as per your requirement and enroll yourself. So with this one, let's end this video over here only. We'll meet in the very next session. Till then, keep smiling, stay safe, bye bye. Thank you so much for watching this video.